Shalom. This Zephaniah working on another episode of Getting Back to Your Roots. I'm out here working on a raised flower bed. Got my wife little drill. Can't have all my tools. Get that in there right there, and I come back with another portion. You know, gotta learn how to be self-sufficient. Stop depending on the grocery store all the time. This tree I'm under right here, this is a plum tree. It came off a mother tree. Tree was like 20 years old or whatever like that. Plums right there. So yeah, I'm gonna come back with another episode when I get a little bit more further into the thing. Shalom.